Get more creative in your kitchen with the professional cook pouch from Creative Products. With this amazing sealable silicone pouch, you can now cook, store and freeze the Pro Cook way. Keep food fresher for longer and quickly store all your vegetables, liquids, meat and fish. To use, simply place the item you want to store into the pouch and slide on the sealing bar, following the direction arrows on the pouch and the bar, ensuring the bag is fully sealed. With Cook Pouch, you can store in both the fridge and the freezer. The clever design of the Cook Pouch means the bag can stand unsupported, saving space and making it easier to see at a glance. That's why professional chefs love them. Traditional plastic storage containers are bulky. It's hard to find the correct size. These professional cook pouches take up far less space. You can write on them with important date and contents information. There are even handy measurements on the side, so you can now get portion sizes just right. Parents often like to make baby foods in smaller portions. Cook Pouch will keep them fresh and always ready to hand. Not just for storage, you can even cook food in these amazing silicone chef pouches. The professional silicone cook pouches allow you to defrost, cook and reheat food all in one flexible, versatile container. Take food straight from the fridge or freezer, slide off the sealing bar, go straight to the microwave. When your food is cooked, serve directly from the pouch. They can even be placed directly into boiling water for sous vide style cooking. With cook pouches, you can cook pasta dishes in minutes. It's so quick and tasty. Next time you need to marinate, there's no better way than with these cook pouches. Whether it's meat or fish or spiced vegetables, simply place your ingredients in the pouch. Seal and store in the fridge until all those succulent flavors have infused. Freeze gravy or cooking stock for use later. Cook pouches are perfect for cheese too. No more unpleasant odors. With cook pouches, you can store liquids and food when on the move. Keep fresh your lunchtime sandwiches or make smoothies and juices to go. You can even fill with water, freeze and use as an ice bag for cool boxes in summer. So versatile, why not store dry foods too? Like nuts, dried fruits and cereals, the possibilities are endless. Soft and flexible, they won't break, making them perfect for caravanning and camping. Easy to clean, cook pouches are dishwasher safe, or simply wash by hand. Revolutionize how you cook, store and freeze with cook pouches from Creative Products. Take yours to the checkout now.